Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You sign into Roblox and YouTube now. Make sure both accounts are accessible because you'll copy a channel link. On YouTube, confirm your channel has a visible name and URL. Custom URLs simplify the process. Once done, open your Roblox profile page in another tab so you can paste quickly. Keep your channel URL copied to clipboard. This avoids interruptions. Make sure you have permission for that YouTube channel if it's not yours, and then move to Roblox settings to add the link. On Roblox, click Edit Profile and scroll to the Links or External Links area. Choose the option for YouTube. Paste the full channel URL, custom or standard, into the URL field and add a concise display name so viewers recognize it. Once pasted, hit Save. Roblox may take a moment to register changes, so refresh your profile to confirm visibility. If the link doesn't appear, double-check the URL format and that your Roblox privacy allows. After saving, test the link on both desktop and mobile to ensure it opens your YouTube channel correctly. Clear browser cache if the old version persists. If the link is blocked or removed, check Roblox privacy settings and moderation messages. Roblox sometimes filters external links. Make sure the URL is correctly formatted, https://www.youtube.com/ and that the channel isn't restricted. If problems persist, remove the entry and re-add it, then wait a few minutes and retest. That usually resolves sync or moderation delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.